Hello, it's day 22. The topic is a new age. I feel that we are living in a new age. The world has become much, much smaller with the advent of the internet and social media. So, with the internet, we are connected to millions, billions around the world, people you don't know. It's, it's so awesome. As a conduit to learn something or to build something, it's amazing. And with social media, the Twitters, the Instagrams, the TikToks, and all of that, it's easier to talk to people around the world. So I think it's great if you could use all that to, one, build something, right? For myself, I would like to become a better artist, a better business person, and then help somebody else get farther than I ever could, because there's a learning curve. So I think using that, the internet and social media to build and then disseminate your stories, your experiences, your art. However, you must be careful with distractions, right? Because of the internet and social media, it is so much easier now to become distracted. And I have fallen into the infinite scroll where you're just, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, or when you're looking online for information and you're just in this loop of, you're not doing anything. I'm just searching for stuff. It's like, there's so much information. So trying to find a balance between all this stuff, your focus is key. Build, learn, teach. I think that was perfect right there. Okay. All right. So day 22, a new era. What will you do with this new era? Only you can decide. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Wow. I think I did great. I think I did great.